breakdown, breakdown.
When something such as communication or a relationship fails or ends.
A breakdown in the peace talks. Convincing, convincing. Convince, convinced, convincing.
Able to make you believe that something is true or right.
A convincing argument or explanation. I didn't find the ending of the film very convincing.
Confidential, confidential.
Confidence, confidential.
Secret, especially in an official situation.
These documents are strictly confidential.
Pony, pony.
Pony, pony.
A small horse.
I have a pony.
Discontent, discontent.
Discontent, content.
Unhappiness about a situation.
There is growing discontent with this government.
Fright, fright.
Fright, fright.
Fright, fright.
Fright, frighten, frightened, frightening.
A sudden feeling of shock and fear.
That dog gave me a terrible fright. She screamed in fright when she saw him. Workplace, workplace.
The place where you work.
We are trying to get rid of bullying in the workplace.
Finish, finish.
Finish, finish.
To complete the last part of something that you are doing.
I want to finish off this essay before I go to bed.
From the beginning of something to its end.
I enjoyed the film from start to finish. Insufficient, insufficient. Sufficient, insufficient, self-sufficient, sufficiently.
Not enough.
Insufficient information. Her income is insufficient to support a family. Memo, memo. Memos.
A written message sent from one member of an organization to another.
Did you see the memo about expenses? Rocky, rocky. Rock, rocky.
With lots of rocks.
A rocky beach.
Key, key.
Key, key.
To be very important in influencing or achieving something.
Early diagnosis is key to your chances of surviving. Set, set. Setting, set. Setting, set, set.
To decide the level of something.
The interest rate has been set at 5%.
To go into a place or onto a piece of land.
He told me never to set foot in his house again.
To be ready.
We were all set to go when the phone rang.
Reptile. Reptile.
Reptile. Reptile.
An animal which produces eggs and uses the heat of the sun to keep its blood warm.
Tom liked the reptiles, especially the snakes and the lizards.
Unity. Unity.
Unity, unite, united.
When everyone agrees with each other or wants to stay together.
National or party unity. Family unity.